Hello, how to start broiler farming with zero experience. You no get any experience, nothing. You're just coming from nowhere and you want to start broiler farming. This particular video is for you. You don't have any idea, nothing concern you with chicken. This particular video is for you. Zero experience broiler farming. Top 2025 mistakes new farmers must avoid. You are a beginner, you don't have any idea, no training at all, and you want to go into broiler farming in 2025. These are the top mistakes you need to avoid. How to start broiler farming with zero experience in 2025. Top mistakes you need to avoid. Watch this video till the end if you are under this category of farmers. Hello farmers and friends. You want to start broiler farming but you no get any experience. No worry, this video go show you how and the simplest way you go begin to farm your broiler chicken, how to avoid the mistakes and how to grow your poultry from scratch till you become a baba in broiler and poultry farming. Many farmers start small and succeed big. You too go do am. Just relax, carry your chair, sit down, cross your leg and relax well. Let us go into this particular topic. This topic go help you well, and it go help you. Your chicken no go buy at all. You get the best result. You carry your money, go to bank and put them power with this particular video. If you go watch until the end, so let's go there. Make I first give you what you need to know as a beginner. You don't need to be rich to start at all. Just be ready to learn. Every big poultry farmer started small one day. Mistakes are part of learning. Don't be afraid to try. Even small chicken, just one, is a beginning. Start with what you have. Farming is not magic. It is a process. Grow with time. The best don't just know your background. They only need good care and they grow with you. Success in poultry farming is possible if you stay consistent. Failures are teachers. Learn and keep moving. There is profit in poultry farming, but you must start to see that profit. Every new day is a chance to grow your dream farm. Watch this woman, she just started. Based on the encouragement I gave to her, see how she's doing well now. See her chickens, watch the chickens in the cage and see how her chickens are growing. And I'm still guiding her step by step on phone. We don't see face to face. We know they see face to face. Now phone call with the make. She use the phone call, they carry her chicken. With the Eco Bio Booster, she carry her chicken step by step. See the weight she's getting now at this stage. Now so you go do them for your own farm also. You will do better than her even. Now, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. This is what a scholar, Zig Ziglar, said. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. Henry David Thoreau said this. Don't wait for the right moment to start. Start and make each moment right. Dr. John Maxwell said this. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Walt Disney said this. All successful entrepreneurs started somewhere. Start with what you have and grow it. Professor Peter Drucker said this. Let me give you 10 mistakes every new poultry farmer must avoid. As you want to start broiler farming this season, after watching this video, make you know, forget this particular topic where I won't give you now. This 10 points where you go use to grow your broiler chicken fast without any mistake. Avoid these mistakes where I won't tell you now. 1, starting without a plan. No business or feeding plan leads to waste and loss. If you no get business plan at all, no feeding plan for your broilers, what it means is that it is a waste and loss of investment. So completely lost. Number 2, buying sick or weak day-old chicks. Stop that. It's very wrong. Before you buy your day-old chicks, look for that person you trust. Let him supply you. Make sure you are using a trusted supplier. Don't just because you want to start, you just enter any poultry shop and say, I want day-old chicks, supply me. Some, because you are new in the business, they may supply anything to you and you will take it. And once you enter your farm, all of them will buy within a short period of time. And you will think that you are God. You don't have the talent for poultry. Poultry doesn't need to be you don't need to be talented for you to have real poultry. You need only mentorship and training. That's all. And watching this video already, you are already mentoring and training yourself in the business. So once all of them buy, people will say, you don't get chicken talent. It's not, because you didn't do the right thing. They gave you the wrong chicks. Even professionals, if they give them the wrong birds, all the birds will buy, no matter how many years experience you have in poultry farming. It will be difficult because already they have factory fault. You see that kind of thing. So it's not your own fault any longer. Overcrowding birds is another mistake you need to avoid. Poor spacing causes disease spread and slow growth. It also causes too high competitions in the cage or in the farm. And as they are competing, they are at the same time injuring one another and at the same time stampeding, and you have high mortality. Feeding poor quality feed is another one. Please make sure you make your own feed. If you can't make your own feed, buy quality rich feed. Feed that your mentor must have advised you to buy, because your mentor must have passed through poultry farming for many years, so he has access to many of the poultry feed. If you can't make your own feed, but you're buying commercial feed, buy rich and superb feeds that will give you maximum. Superb feed is not by cost too. Some of you think that the most expensive feed is the highest quality. No. So if you feed your poultry birds with poor quality feed, they are not going to grow. Or you go and gather scraps and feed to them, they are not going to grow at all. Even if they grow, they will not have weight. And most of the times you lose most of the birds to mortality. And that one, ignoring vaccination schedule. If you skip vaccines, it can wipe out all your birds at a time. Most especially viral infections are very deadly. They can wipe off all your birds within a short period of time. Using dirty or contaminated water. And it's not because they are poultry birds. They call them animals. Then you go and gather river water when that is brownish in color, or where water is not, it's not neat, and feed your chicken after the animals. After the local chicken my mother used to rear, some of them drink any water from the gutter and they are still living. These ones are not local birds, so they are high-tech birds. They are highly modified birds, so they need neat and clean water always. Feeding them dirty water means you want to contaminate them, and at the same time, if they get infections, it means you hardly make a very meaningful profit from that poultry bird. Use clean water always, and make sure they have water 24/7. Dirty and contaminated feed is not good for them also. Keep your feed in a very secured, free water environment. Don't allow feed to be mold or to soak water at all. Keep it in a very neat sack, in a very neat environment for your chicken. If not, they will contact infection. Poor ventilation is another issue in the poultry house. Bad airflow causes heat, stress, and disease outbreak. And at the same time, it causes moldy floor. There should be adequate cross ventilation, both south, east, north, and west. Right, front, and back of your poultry house should be airflow, so that the wind will blow off all the ammonia from the droppings, and at the same time clears the way. If not, you start suffering. Their birds will start suffering from coryza and infectious coccidiosis and other many infections that can retard their growth and at the same time harm your profit. Not keeping record. Make sure you keep adequate record of your expenses, income and expenses in that poultry house. Don't skip anyone at all, so that you know how much you have invested in rearing per head of each of the birds and know how much you're going to sell, so that you will not continue rearing. At the same time, you pack it and give to one man. The man will go and make profit, and you go back and start telling people there is no profit in poultry. No, there is profit, serious profit if you are making it right. Even the poultry drop is alone can even give you maximum profit. Selling at the wrong time or at the wrong price. Make sure you know the price of your chicken. Don't allow them to rush you, and don't be too zealous to sell. Make sure you are selling at the proper time. Most especially season product is good to sell at the peak time, so that you make maximum profit. Don't be in a haste to sell. Don't put yourself in a tight corner. Always make sure your broilers are healthy. If your birds are healthy, nobody will push you. If they come and price and you don't like the price, you tell them to go. But when the birds are sick, you will be going to beg them to come and pack. Because I was in market the other day, the day I went to slaughter this bird. I was there. One was begging the buyer to come and buy that the chicken that all of them want to buy, that she need money and her children are sick. So the man was doing was preparing for the can't come now. Please can look for that person. If that man eventually goes there, he's going to price those birds less, because the woman have begged him to come down. So it means any price I give you, take it. If you don't take it, I will go. So, and you have already explained your problems to the woman, knowing fully well that he will keep tight. That's your problems. Knowing fully well that you won't allow your children to buy because you want to make profit. No, don't be zealous to sell. Always sell at the right price and at the right time, please. Fear of starting small is another problem. Start with what you can manage and grow gradually. Not because you have target of building the mansion and you want to make billions of naira from the poultry. So you go and, because you have the money to start, go and bring in thousands of birds when you cannot manage them. If you can manage them the first week, a person that have only 100 birds will make more profit than you. That's one thing you need to know in this particular business. So what you can manage, what you can feed is very important. Don't just feed the whole places with chicken and they are not eating well. You will start running from post to post to look for how to manage and what to miss to their feed. Once you are missing all these scraps, they are not going to gain weight, and it's going to affect their growth and at the same time affect their profit. Thank you for watching the video. This will interest you. Please give it a thumb up. Now this year you go start. Now this week you go start. Most of you that are saying I want to start every year, you continue telling me I want to start. Start now. Today is your day. Start now and see the result in poultry farming. It gives you joy, it gives you happiness, it gives you cool of mind, give you a means of investment, and at the same time support your growth and your health. Thank you for watching. Share this with the original poultry farmers, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Our Eco Bio Booster is still available for you to grow your broiler to maximum weight you deserve. It is here with us. If you need it, please send us a message on WhatsApp. We now will bill it to your own location after making payment. You get it from the closest motor garage in your locality. You pick it from them there. Thank you. The next video, so let them bye for now. God bless you all.